The Strangest Secret by Earl Nightingale. Lesson 1. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. Out of 100, only 5% succeed. The opposite of courage in our society is not cowardice. It is conformity. Conformity is that people acting like everyone else. Who really is successful? A success is anyone who is deliberately doing a predetermined job, because that's what he or she decided to do. A success is a school teacher who is teaching school because that's what he or she decided to do. A success is a woman who is a wife and mother because she wanted to become a wife and mother and is doing a good job of it. A success is the entrepreneur who starts their own company because that was their dream, that's what they wanted to do. Lesson 2. People with goals succeed. People with goals succeed because they know where they are going. A man who has no goal becomes what he thinks about. His life becomes full of frustration, fear, anxiety and worry. Picture yourself in your mind's eye as having already achieved this goal. See yourself doing the things you'll be doing when you've reached your goal. Leave the final results of your goal to a power greater than yourself. Lesson 3. As you sow, so shall you reap. The mind, like the land, doesn't care what you plant. Law of prosperity and success states that if you think in negative terms, you'll get negative results. If you think in positive terms, you will achieve positive results. Plant a seed in your mind, care for it, work steadily towards your goal, and it will become a reality. Lesson 4. We become what we think about. We become what we think about is the secret key to a successful life. Marcus Aurelius said, "A man's life is what his thoughts make of it." William James said, "The greatest discovery of my generation is that human beings can alter their lives by altering their attitudes of mind." George Bernard Shaw said, "People are always blaming their circumstances for what they are. I don't believe in circumstances. The people who get on in this world are the people who get up and look for the circumstances they want, and if they can't find them, make them. Every one of us is the sum total of his own thoughts." Lesson 5. We take our minds for granted. Human mind is the last great unexplored continent and it contains riches beyond our dreams. Things, like our minds, our souls, our bodies, our intelligence, our love of family and children, were given to us for free, and we place little value on them. Things that cost us money are actually very cheap and can be replaced at any time. Persistence is another word for faith. If you do not have faith, you would never persist. Lesson summary. Lesson 1: Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. Lesson 2: People with goals succeed. Lesson 3: As you sow, so shall you reap. Lesson 4: We become what we think about. Lesson 5: We take our minds for granted.